solve the given game table by graphical method. Okay, the graphical method is possible from 2 cross n or m cross 2. But here it is given m cross n. Okay, that is the reason by the use of the dominance method, you have to solve this. Then you have to make that into 2 cross n or m cross 2. Okay, by the comparison. But before that, you have to make identification of saddle point. Is it exist or not? Because this is also the evaluator will expect. Then later you can go for the method. If not, which is not at all be possible. Okay, so that compare with respect to the row. In row it is not possible. You can compare with respect to the column. Okay, not edit or in order to delete. But row minima, what the minimum value? 5 among these. Okay, with respect to the second row, 7, 3, 14, 16, 3 is minimum. Then 12, 8, 18, 4, 4 is minimum. Then 8, 7, 13 minus 1 is minimum. Next, you have to make the identification of column. Okay, 19, 7, 12, 8. 19 is highest, maximum value. Then among this, 6, 3, 8, 7, 8 is highest. Then 7, 14, 18, 13, then 18 is highest. 5, 6, 4 minus 1, 6 is highest. Okay, this is the maximum value. You got column maxima. In this column maxima, what you have to identify? You have to identify the minimum value. What is the minimum value? 6 is minimum value. Okay, this is what? Row minima. In this row minima, what you have to identify? You have to identify the maximum value. What is the maximum value? It is 4. Is these two are equal? Not equal. Then saddle point doesn't exist. That you have to write. Is this clear? Okay, this is mandatory to solve all types of games. Okay, with respect to that of dominance method. Then you have to make the comparison. Now you can adopt with respect to the row method or the column method. Okay, 19, 17, 12, 8. Okay, it is comparing with respect to the column 1 and the column 2. So that we are deleting column number 1. Okay, 19 is more, 7 is more, then 12 is more, 8 is more. Okay, compared to these elements. Isn't it? So that we are deleting this element. So that we deleted. Okay, that is not there. Then we are considering only this. That is 6, 3, 8, 7, then 7, 14, 12, 13, then 5, 6, 8, 1. Okay, once you did this, then you can proceed for the other. Okay, row. Okay, if you are comparing with respect to the fourth row with third column. 7, 8 is more than 7, 18 is more than 13, then 4 is more than 1. So that this will dominated. We are deleting. We are keeping this row. Okay, so that it is to be deleted. Fourth row. Then you will get 3 cross 3 because from this it is deleted means 6, 7, 5, 3, 14, 6, 8, 18, 4. Okay, once you did this, then go for again reduction. Okay, what you have to do? Again, you have to compare with row method or the column method. Okay, in this, the column 2 is greater than or equal to column 3. Okay, column 2 is comparing with column number 3. 5 is less than 7. 6 is less than 14. Then 4 is less than 18. Then obviously, this will have a maximum value. Okay, that is 7, 14, 18. Then I will reduce this. I will delete this. Then what happens? I will get 6, 3, 8, 5, 6, 4. I got this now. Okay, 3 cross 2. Then you can make the evaluation with graphical method. Make identification of those values with respect to the substitution. Then according to that, you can draw. Okay, directly if you want to draw with respect to the graph, you can draw. Then find the intersection pointer. from that particular line. Okay, if you use the graph properly, then you will get effective value. If not, you can't. Okay, follow that method. Okay, however, you are going to define with respect to that particular values. Okay, that is in between 0 to 1. Okay, this also you can adopt. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 equivalent values you have to define. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. 0, 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. Okay, this you have to keep 1. Why? Because P plus Q equal to 1 we will take, not P1 plus P2 equal to 1 we are taking. Then as well as Q1 plus Q2 equal to 1 we are taking. That is the reason. That value you can consider. Then once you got the intersection point, that you have to consider the respective row and column elements. Okay, 3, 6, then 8, 4. You got A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, once you got this value, what do you need to proceed? Once you got this, okay, you can go for the optimal solution by the use of P and Q method. Make the evaluation of P1, get the value, then P2 is equal to 1 minus P1, then you will get P2, then similar to that Q1. Okay, then get the value of Q1, make the use of A11 value, A22 value, A12 value, and A22 value. Then you will get the value of Q1, then find the value of Q2, that is 1 minus Q1. Then you will get that Q2 value. Once you have got this, make use of the game value formula. Okay, that is gamma is equal to A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Then we will get the gamma value. This is what the optimal strategy value which ought to be present. Corresponding to that, what is the gamma value which to be there?